Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today I'm looking at the annual coin, the Snowman. This one is the BU the brilliantly uncirculated coin. It's on the blue card from Westminster Coins, or Change Checker, whichever you prefer to call them. Each shows the snowman and the dog. I have two versions of this particular one. One of them will go into my blue card collection. The other one will be taken out of here and put into a flip straight away and put into my master collection. The Royal Mint Bunk, I bought one. It's this one here, it's the colour version. On the back, on the obverse of the coin, we have Her Majesty the Queen. Then we have this rather lovely review. Let me open that wide open. We have a gatefold area. If you want to read this, please pause the video and read to your heart's content. The first gate of it is the fluffy excitement of the snowman here. We then have introducing the snow dog in this area here. Timeless Christmas tales. And there you go, you got the 2018 through until this year, the 5 coloured coins. I believe the first 2 were silver proof, and then I think the rest of them are like this one, which is coloured bunks. We also have some information about the original makers. Of course, the original man who brought in the Snowman to us is Raymond Briggs, and he very sadly passed away this year. So to his family and to people who knew him, my condolences to you. And then there's a section there of bringing the snowman to life, which talks about the animation. And and then there's a final gate. One of the final gates is, "It's a joy to be revisiting the snow dog after 10 years. I've always been rather pleased when he's around, and imagined him keeping the snowman company when we're not looking." And that's Robin Shaw. That's a quote from Robin Shaw. On the back is the technical information, the specifications, and 10 years of the snowman and the snow dog. So for the coin itself, let's take you in. There we go. Now this 50p, I don't have a problem with the colour, because the colour adds so much definition to the coin itself. However, the snowman over recent years has been using the full face and colouring everything in. This to me looks as if it's a decal rather than something that's printed onto the coin as part of the process of making the coin. It looks almost as if somebody's come along and very carefully put a decal over the top of the coin. Of course it isn't, but that's what it looks like. There's just so much colour there, whereas colour coins in the past, in the recent past, have just highlighted the areas of importance. So there would have been the snowman, his hat, the dog itself would have been highlighted and brought into attention. You wouldn't have necessarily had all the sky and all the rest of it in. And as I say, this one compared to the ones in the past, for instance, if I just go back a little bit to this set of things here, the one on the lake here wasn't fully coloured the one that I had, and this was a mirror silver mirror type of thing on the coin. And I think having the full colour across the whole of the coin instead of just accentuating certain parts of it somehow detracts from the coin. I would have liked to have seen the new normal Cooper nickel background, maybe with wisps of clouds or something in it. Maybe that would have worked, but having full blue and everything else, to a certain extent, if you have a look at this coin, picking the snow dog out of it is not as easy as it should be, because everything is full colour. It's taking it to the opposite extreme of having just the Cooper nickel to look at. Yeah, your Cooper nickel here, you can see the detail, but you have to look carefully. Because this is full colour now, things are merging together, and it's not as easy to concentrate on the important parts of the coin, or the important parts of the commemorative, which could include this. It's supposed to be the snowman and the snow dog, but all this stuff that's going around them is slightly taking away from the effect, looking at it for the first time in any depth. I don't know how the rest of you feel about this, but that's my opinion. I'm not saying it's a bad coin, because it isn't. I'm not saying it's a coin that I don't want in my collection, because it isn't. I'm just wondering whether this form of colorization of the coins is too much coloration. Tell me down below, am I being overcritical? Do you think I'm wrong in what I'm saying? So, I've ended my review of the coin. I do like it, I'm glad it's in my collection, but I'm being a little bit nitpicky, maybe, in some respects, or you may think I am. If you are, by all means, comment below. That's what it's there for. If you've enjoyed this, please give me the thumbs up and comment below. Neither of these things cost you any money, and if you believe I deserve your subscription, I'll be absolutely delighted to have you as a regular viewer on my channel. I cover, as I say, I cover coins, banknotes, militaria, and the occasional collectible. I am looking to expand my channel again next year, so if you want to join me, I would be more than happy to have you as a subscriber. I do 4 videos a week, as I've said, so hopefully you'll find something in the next week or so for you to enjoy. So thank you for watching, and as I say bye bye to you all, have a Merry Christmas, and I look forward to, or have a happy Christmas time, and from me, bye bye, ta-da.